Start a sketch on the elevation plane. Draw 2 dashed lines and a circle. To attach the circle to the end of the line, select the circle plus Control plus the endpoint of the line and apply the coincident relation. Define the distance and size of the circle. To fully define the sketch, select the center of the circle and the dashed line and establish the coincident relations. To generate the circular solid, in this case, apply the revolve operation. For the revolution axis, select the vertical line and confirm the operation. In the elevation view, draw an 80 mm circle. To generate the solid, apply an offset in from, since we need a distance of 50 mm of margin. Define the depth of the solid. On the face of the cylinder, draw a circle using offset entities, which allows copying and pasting the selected entities, while respecting a margin. In this case, the 5 mm yields a 70 diameter circle. Perform the cut operation with the up to next option in direction 1. As we need 3 cylinders, we are not going to repeat the same operations 3 times. For this, we will use the circular pattern operation. Start by generating a reference axis with the 2 planes option, and select the planes between which the axis will be generated. Select the circular pattern operation. In direction 1, select axis 1. Write 3 as the number of times you wish to repeat the entities. Expand the operations of the piece and select the operations you wish to include in the array operation, and set the separation between the entities with 120 degrees. Great. To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck.